The Auckland Castle Deer House was built in 1760 by the Bishop Richard Trevor and is a Grade 1 listed Gothic Revival Folly. Designed to look like a medieval castle, the Deer House had battlements, arches, and arrow loops that added a visual drama to the landscape. The Folly was built exclusively for the bishop's deer herd, a beautiful enclosure designed to shelter, feed, and watch the deer. The walls enclose a central courtyard with 15 arched bays in the arcades down the longer sides. The arcades would have originally been roofed, giving the deer shelter from the weather. The use of coursed, square sandstone added to the luxury of the two-story crenellated tower. The first-floor room was used to entertain distinguished guests of the bishop. This historic architectural Gothic Folly is free to explore and enjoy, as well as the surrounding trails through the park.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.